Hi guys, this is Robert Rivera with Trend Training Academy, and I believe this is weekly recap number 58, maybe. And if not, you'll see the correct number once I go in. Very short week. This is going to be a short video. We had three setups. Actually, I sent four setups, but the first setup did not break out. I mean, there were some opportunities in there, but they didn't break out, so I'm going to leave that alone. Also, my office is still being worked out, my new place. So it's a little crude here, the background and whatever. So I'll be working on that this week to make it look a little sharper. Um, and so that's why you see these changes. But anyway, I missed out on a lot of action this week. That would have been great because NFP was solid. I did take a gold after NFP opened, and I did not. I'm not including that in here, but that's. I mean, the other trades of the week, like I didn't even have internet until Wednesday, and now we're looking at at NFP on Friday. So it's like, oh, forget it. I mean, I did send out the setups, and so let's see what the setups did, and then we'll discuss it. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. Let's start with. This is the first trade of the week, yeah, that I sent out. This was very nice. Actually, this was very smooth for a Monday. This was extremely smooth. You can see how it's been coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, and we throw the trend line on it. You see the 50 moving average coming right above it. So this looks good. This is on the 60-minute chart, on the 1 hour chart. When I sent it, it was right here already. I wasn't sure if it was going to break out at that time, but it did. And in fact, it looked very nice. It broke out, did a little retest, and just kept moving up. Okay. So that was 43 pips, trend line break, 7-pip drawdown. If you took it right here when it broke out initially, then you had a little bit of 7-pip drawdown, and that's it. After that, it was old money, which was very nice. Okay. That was the first trade of the week. Actually, that was the second trade of the week. The first trade of the week did not break out. Okay. Then this was August the 3rd. I mean, going into the 4th. And you see this setup like this because, again, I was doing it on the phone. I was trying to send you out something good, but I couldn't do it from the computer because I had no internet. So I did it from here. And again, same kind of similar situation. It's still it came up after the drop, and now it created another kind of dropping situation here. You got the zones. We got a good little golden zone right above it. And these are the results. It broke above, retested, and went up. Okay. Broke above. Here's the breakout, right? Nothing that closes outside. Nothing closed outside until this candle closed outside. And when that candle closed outside, it came back, retested the trend line, retested again, retested again. It was a little choppy here for a little bit. Okay. But again, there was no reason to worry in any of this because none of these candles closed back inside. None of it closed back inside. It came back up, go back up, went down, go back up. Okay, 31 pips, breakout, retest, 7-pip drawdown. All right, let's go to the last trade of the week. This was NCD, and I went to NCD because the GBP USD did not look that clean. Also, because NFP was coming, I knew that USD was not going to be good. When NFP is approaching, because it relates to the dollar, the USD starts being, the GBP USD starts being very cagey. It just goes up and down a little bit, go up and down, but it's just consolidation side. It's waiting for the news. Okay, same thing with gold. On NFP week, you got to be careful with gold. It gets very volatile, and for sure on NFP day when it comes out, like yesterday, it dropped 75 pips. I think I caught 50 pips of those. It dropped 75 pips. Oh yeah, I caught only 50 pips because my server crashed. That was nice. When there's a lot of volume like that, it kind of freezes. It froze there for a minute. So the volatility because of NFP makes it so that it's not good to send gold when it's happening like that. But anyway, so because of that, I said, let me go to another pair. I saw GBP AUD. It had already done its move. I felt this was well consolidated, GBP NCD, to give us an opportunity, and it didn't really give us much of opportunity. It was dropping. Okay, nice trend line. You could have put an inside trend line right here, I did not put an inside trend line right there because the 50 is right there with it. Okay, all you have to do is watch the 50 and take the break of the 50 and you can take advantage of it. And this is what happened. It broke the 50 and this would have been a great entry. It broke the 50, retested it, and then just went up. Okay, that would have been very nice right there. But if you didn't catch that, then it broke the trend line, retested for a little bit, and then went on. Okay, 29 pips, trend line break, 4-pip drawdown. Not too bad. So that accounts for only 3 trades. There were 4, but only 3 that we could trade. 103 pips was the max that you could have made on those, with a total of 9 pip. No, let me see, 18 pip drawdown. That's not bad. 100 pips for 18 pip drawdown, not too bad. 34 pips per trade, not too shabby. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly projections now going forward. Let's go look at GBP Canada. GBP Canada did exactly what I anticipated. This is the last, these are my markings from the last time that I did the recap, which has been a while. And I anticipated it was coming back down. This candle was coming back down to then go back up, to then come back down a little bit to try to break the top. That's pretty much exactly what it did. It came back down right here, went back up, retested there, rejected, came back down right here, and now it pushed back up. Can it break to the top? Well, actually, guys, I'm thinking that this is bearish. It looks bullish, right? When you look at the whole thing, it looks bullish, but this is looking bearish. Rejection, 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 rejection. How many times do you need to be rejected until you know you're not coming, you're not breaking up? This is the stochastic RSI at the very top. And again, we're talking about the weekly, all right? So these rejections are telling me that this is gonna pull back some more. At least I'm thinking one more week of pullback, and then maybe a breakout. So happening next, I think it's going to reject here. Already rejected going up here. Now it's going to come down a little bit. Depending on where it comes back, the pullback is going to tell us how strong it's going to move to the upside. Okay, that was GBP Canada. GBP NCD. GBP NCD did similar. This is again my last marking. My last marking. It's consolidating basically. My last marking was right here. I anticipated it was going to go up, to come down, to go up. That's exactly what it did. I could adjust this like this, okay, if I want to. Okay, went up, came down, went up now, okay? And now it's a question of what's going to happen here. Again, rejection, 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 strong rejection here. I'm anticipating this is going to keep coming down for a little bit, maybe test the support that's right here. If you can't see it, let me show it to you. Test that support that's right there. It form a little higher support than this right here, and then push back up. We're gonna see. I'm gonna leave that right there. Let's see what happens when this comes down. I'm projecting, let me remove this. I'm projecting that this is gonna come like this and start moving up, okay? We'll see if that's what we end up with, okay? Let's go to gold. Gold we knew was coming down. Gold we knew was coming down, okay? We have drawn this golden zone a while back, because you can see, right, drop, swing high, swing low, golden zone. Oh, it's right here. No, actually, it was right here. The golden zone from here to here is a little higher. This golden zone is from right here to here. From here to here, golden zone, okay? So we've been watching this for the last, what's that? A month. For the last month, we anticipating this rejection. Rejected once, rejected again, rejected again, rejected again. If the 50 finally caught up, which I don't know if you know this about gold, but gold does this quite a lot. Okay, in all the time frames, all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I've seen this quite a lot. When it makes a big move like this, it kind of waits for the 50, okay, to catch up. So it makes a move like that, waits for the 50 to catch up, 50 caught up, rejected again, dropped hard. All right, this could have been anticipated. Okay, what can we expect from gold now? This is support, right? This is an area of strong support. It's going to reject from here a little bit, and then we'll see. Let's go ahead and do it like this. Let's see if this works out like this. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating to go somewhere around here. All right, you see this level of support right here. There's a little support going on right there. We're going to draw that and see what happens. Okay, let's see if that's what we get. But that's what I'm looking at. Push back up a little bit and then coming crashing down again. Stochastic RSI is still pushing down. Let me see what it looks like on the daily. On the daily, it still has room to keep coming down. You see that rejection, again, the 50, caught up with the 50, rejecting. Yeah, I think it's coming down. I think gold is coming down, as I believe GBP USD is coming down. Let's go to GBP USD. This is GBP USD on the weekly. And what do we see here? Look at this baby. What do we see here? What is that, guys? Head and shoulders, right? Now that we saw a while back. We saw this a while back. We knew this was coming, okay? I threw this out. I can't remember when I drew this out, but it's been a while. Okay. Let's put it somewhere around here. Okay, to get that head and shoulder. Or you could do it like this, right? We've been studying the Elliott. You could do the Elliott wave move. And again, we've discussed this already before. Let me see. This is 2. No. Let's go back. Let's do this right. I think I don't have this right. Hold on a second. Hold on. I gotta show the whole move. Okay, there you go. Let's get this RSI out of the way. Okay, like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then you have the ABC, right? Somewhere there. Boom. Okay, so can it still move up? It can still move up a little bit if it wants to, right? It has room to go up. Let's go ahead and open this up a little bit. But we've been watching this happen, and it's happening exactly as we anticipated. Make this move, finish the Elliott. Well, this is the Elliott. The Elliott is not complete yet. Remember that the Elliott has the ABC correction. So it came and created A already over here. Now it's moving up to B. B could go a little higher, although it's already there, by the way, guys. It rejected there already. Okay, this is where this closed. If you want to do it like this, you can do it like this, and then you can see it a little more clearly. Okay, it's pretty much already there already. I think we're going down. We're going down, Charlie Brown. We're going down. We're going down. So I'm anticipating that GBP USD is going to complete its head and shoulders, and we're going to get paid no matter what it does, going up or down, because we're scalpers. Most of us scalpers, day traders, and we can make money no matter what happens. But long-term thinking, if you're looking at what's going on here, looks like there's going to be a correction on GBP USD and on gold. Okay, I'm going to stop the share now. And that's all I got for right now. Like I mentioned, I'm still working on setting up my system here. They left me a already preset desk here, and I think I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to make some money with this little crazy thing that they left me here, and then I'm going to get me a real desk, and we're going to go from there. But anyway, if you want to see anything included in the weekly recap, do let me know. But I usually focus on the GBP pairs and what we trade. And for those of you who are brand new, take advantage of reviewing the trades of the week so that you can get a good idea of what the market did and what it may do next week. And you can also review your trades. That's usually what we do during the weekends. Take some time to review our trades and see what we could have done better. Okay, and that's it for now. Again, Robert Rivera with Trend Trading Academy, and I hope that you guys have a great weekend. God bless you.